Hi, my name is Gladys Wiles. I'm a local Lehigh Valley attorney. With all that's happening with COVID-19, lots of people are scared and many are questioning their own mortality. So we've received so many calls regarding estate planning, such as wills, power of attorneys, and trusts. We get it. We understand you're scared, and we hope that this information is helpful to you. I've put together this short video in the hopes to provide helpful information about trusts. There are two main types of trusts, testamentary and living. Testamentary trust is created in a will. It doesn't exist during your life. It doesn't transition control of assets in the event of a disability, and it does require probate. Living trusts, on the other hand, exist during your life. It shifts control in the easiest way possible upon disability or death, and it avoids probate if it's funded properly. The two types of living trusts are revocable and irrevocable. Each accomplishes different goals based on your concerns and needs for you and your family. Revocable trusts mainly are for probate avoidance. It shifts control in the easiest way possible upon disability or death, and assets may be distributed at any time before or after death. Revocable trusts are private because they don't require probate. It can provide asset protection to loved ones after your death, but it does not provide asset protection for you during your life. Irrevocable trusts are typically utilized for tax planning and asset protection. It provides asset protection during your life and to your loved ones after your death. It protects assets from predators, lawsuits, and nursing homes. It provides asset protection if funded properly. Use a trust instead of a beneficiary designation. Why, you ask? Well, assets that have a beneficiary designation do not pass to your heirs according to your will or trust. But let me explain that a little bit. If your children are young, or if you're concerned about when they may come into large or small sums of money, and you don't want that to be spent right away, trust provisions will include language like, my child will get 25% at age 21. 25% at age 25. If you use a beneficiary designation, however, upon your death, that asset will be transferred to your heir, your beneficiary, or your child, whomever you choose at the time of your death, without those clauses to save the assets for your beneficiary. Now, beneficiary designations do not protect your children if they get divorced, or they get sued, or they have poor spending habits. If they're unable to manage their own affairs, or they have creditors, or they're going through a bankruptcy, and even if they need a nursing home care. Now, funding a trust is the process of moving assets into the trust. In order to work properly, a trust must be funded. Some of the ways that we fund trusts are with cash bank accounts, brokerage accounts, real estate, life insurance policies, tangible personal property. Funding a trust is typically not done with 401ks or IRAs, and here's why. This would result in a complete withdrawal of the retirement account, the 401k, the IRA, and it makes it subject to tax in the year that it's transferred. So you can make a trust a beneficiary of a 401k. Now, avoiding inheritance tax. We get this question a lot. Trusts do not typically avoid inheritance tax. There are some circumstances, but that's a whole other video. Life insurance policies pass inheritance tax free. Real estate that you may own in another state, like in New Jersey or beach property, passes inheritance tax free. Some of the inheritance tax rates in Pennsylvania are 0 if it's between spouses. So your spouse that survives you would pay 0 inheritance tax. It's 4.5% to parents, grandparents, children, grandchildren, great-grandchildren. It's 12% if your sibling is inheriting from you, and it's 15% for anyone else. Heirs also include stepchildren, step-grandchildren, and adopted children. Now, I want to thank everyone for watching this video. I hope it's been helpful, and I welcome you to reach out with estate planning questions, or even if you have other topic ideas for us. We'll get you the information. Our physical office may be temporarily closed, but know, please, that we are working remotely to take care of our clients and to take care of you. You can call us at the phone number listed, or go to our website at SnyderWilesLaw.com at the contact page and shoot us an email. We are here to help you be safe, stay healthy. We are all in this together.